I'm willing to bet your own vehicle is hiding features from you right now, features that could prevent a massive repair bill or even save your life. But here's the reality. Most of us never crack the owner's manual. Before you spend another dollar at the mechanic, let's uncover the 15 hidden functions your car already has. Trust me, number 12 alone is a silent money pit for thousands of drivers. Let's get started. Hidden function number 15, your personal air fortress. Stuck behind a smelly truck or in polluted traffic? That dashboard button with the car and arrow isn't just for show. It's your recirculation mode, and it's a game changer. With one press, you seal the cabin, recycling the clean air inside and blocking out fumes, dust, and allergens. Not only does this protect your lungs, but it makes your air conditioning up to 20% more efficient on a hot day. Cooler air, faster, and less wear on the whole system. This is vital in traffic jams or industrial areas. Plus, it saves your cabin air filter from getting clogged too fast. Fewer replacements, more cash in your wallet. That little icon is your shield against the outside world. Number 14, the skull-powered remote. Lost in a vast parking lot, desperately clicking your key fob? Try this wild trick they don't teach you? Hold the fob right against your temple when you press the button. Sounds crazy, but your head can actually boost the signal, extending its range dramatically. The science? Your brain's high water content conducts those radio waves. It's a legitimate signal amplifier. And while we're on remotes, nearly all have a physical key tucked inside for when the battery dies. Find the release latch. It's your emergency backup plan. Number 13, the engine bay's color guide. Ever open the hood and wonder why some caps are vibrant colors? It's not random. Manufacturers use this as a DIY guide. Bright yellow, blue, or red tops typically mean safe for you to fill. Think oil, coolant, or washer fluid. The dull, bare metal, or black components. Those usually mean call a professional. Knowing this simple code can stop you from pouring the wrong fluid into the wrong place, a mistake that could cost you an engine. It also prevents you from getting charged for a simple top-off you could do yourself in 30 seconds. Number 12, the gas cap guardian. This one is so obvious you'll be stunned. Next time you fuel up, look inside your fuel door. See that small plastic hook or notch? That's specifically designed to hold your gas cap while you pump. Letting the cap dangle or placing it on your roof risks scratching your paint and, worse, letting dirt into your fuel system. Contaminants can lead to clogged injectors and a pump failure, a repair easily costing thousands. This simple free hook is pure preventative maintenance, yet almost nobody uses it. Number 11, the manual gear override. Your car's battery dies while you're in gear and now it's stuck. What now? Look for a small covered slot near your gear shifter. That's the shift lock override. Pry off the cover with your key, press the button inside, and you can move the shifter to neutral, allowing you to push the car to safety. Finding this button before an emergency could save you from a dangerous roadside wait and a costly tow. Become the hero who knows this trick. Number 10, your built-in Ice Scout. That snowflake symbol on your dash isn't just a pretty light. It's an ambient temperature alert, warning you when conditions are near or below freezing, hinting at potential ice. Advanced systems even change color for greater urgency. Some modern cars network this data with others nearby, creating a real-time hazard map. Your vehicle is literally trying to keep you from sliding off the road. Will you listen? Number 9, the anti-blinding shield. Annoyed by bright headlights filling your mirror at night? That little lever underneath isn't a toy. Flip it, and it angles the mirror to cut glare dramatically using basic reflection physics. It's a decades-old solution to a dangerous problem. Newer models have auto-dimming mirrors that use sensors and special gel to darken automatically. Whether manual or automatic, it's a crucial safety feature for night driving. Number 8, valuables hideouts. Car makers have gotten clever with storage. Beyond the glove box, many models have secret compartments. Some SUVs hide them in the trunk floor or rear consoles. Certain sedans have them under seats or within dash panels. They're perfect for stashing items away from plain sight. Take 10 minutes this weekend to explore every nook in your car. You might discover a hidden treasure, or at least a great hiding spot. Your car's manual isn't a suggestion, it's an owner's survival guide. If you're learning secrets you never knew, hit that subscribe button. Gearverse is your source for practical knowledge that puts you in control. We have more life-saving tips ahead. Number 7, the remote cool down. On a blistering day, you can vent that oven-like heat before you even open the door. With many modern keys, press and hold the unlock button. After a few seconds, all your windows should roll down from a distance. If your key doesn't have buttons, try inserting it in the driver's door lock, turning to unlock, and holding it. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety, preventing heat stroke and burning seats. Your family will thank you. Number 6, the spy mirror for your back seat. Struggling to keep an eye on kids or pets without turning around? Check the overhead console near your sunglasses holder. Many family vehicles have a second wide-angle mirror that flips down, giving you a full view of the rear seats. No more dangerous glances over your shoulder. Peace of mind is built right in number 5, the fuel side cheat sheet. Tired of guessing which side your gas tank is on, especially in a rental car? Look at your fuel gauge on the dashboard. Right next to the pump icon, there's almost always a tiny arrow. That arrow points directly to the side of the car where your fuel door is located. This simple design touch has been saving drivers from awkward gas station maneuvers for over 30 years. Yet so many still miss it. Number 4, the honking tire inflator. Inflating tires to the correct pressure is a guesswork-free job in many newer Nissans, GMCs, and others. Their easy fill system uses your car's lights and horn to guide you. As you add air, the turn signals may flash. When you hit the perfect PSI, the car gives a short honk. Overinflate and it honks again to warn you. It turns a chore into a foolproof task, ensuring better mileage and longer tire life. Number 3, the invisible remote start. Your key fob might have a secret superpower. Many modern cars, even without a dedicated button, can remote start with a button sequence. Try pressing lock 3 times, holding on the last press, or 2 clicks, then a held third. Check your manual. Starting your car from inside to warm it up or cool it down isn't just luxury. It's kinder to your engine in extreme weather and makes every trip more comfortable. The most valuable car hack is the one that prevents a crisis you never saw coming. Number 2, the coffee cup warning. If a coffee cup icon pops up on your dash, your car isn't offering you a drink. It's a drowsiness detection alert. Using cameras or driving pattern analysis, it senses signs of fatigue like erratic steering or eyelid movement and suggests you take a break. Heed this warning. It's advanced technology working to prevent a tragedy, making it one of the smartest features in any modern vehicle. And the number 1 hidden function, seeing in the dark. This sounds like spy gear, but it's real. Automotive night vision. Available in some luxury models, it uses thermal or infrared cameras to project an image of the road ahead on your display, revealing pedestrians, animals, or obstacles far beyond your headlights' reach. While premium now, this tech is the future of nighttime safety, giving you vision that feels like a superpower. That's our list of 15 hidden car functions. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you become a smarter driver, do me a huge favor and press the like button. It truly supports the channel. And subscribe for more content that decodes the world around you. Remember, knowledge is the ultimate upgrade you can make. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.